On the sunlit side, the heat would become unbearable. Deserts would expand, oceans would boil, and plants would wither under the relentless glare. Temperatures could climb to hundreds of degrees, far beyond what humans could survive. Meanwhile, on the dark side, temperatures would plunge below freezing. Cities would be buried under snow and ice, oceans would solidify, and life would struggle to exist. Humanity would be forced to live in a narrow twilight zone between scorching heat and frozen darkness, a fragile band circling the planet where conditions might still support survival. The skies, too, would change forever. With no rotation, the stars would no longer rise and set. Two people on the night side, constellations would hang motionless in the heavens, while on the day side, the sun would be frozen in the same spot, never moving, never changing. Time itself, as we know it, would no longer exist. And let's not forget about Earth's magnetic field. Our spinning planet generates a powerful protective shield through its molten iron core, deflecting harmful solar radiation. If Earth stopped rotating, the dynamo effect in the core could weaken or collapse entirely. Without this shield, deadly particles from the sun would bombard the surface, stripping away the atmosphere and exposing life to radiation strong enough to cause mass extinctions. Over centuries, the loss of rotation would transform Earth into a planet like Mercury, one side scorched, the other frozen, with only a narrow, habitable zone clinging to existence. Civilization, if it survived the initial destruction, would shrink to small, desperate enclaves, fighting for resources in a world unlike anything we know today. But here's the strange truth. Earth will never just stop suddenly. The laws of physics don't allow such an instant event. If anything, Earth's rotation is very slowly slowing down, but at such a tiny rate that it would take billions of years before it truly stopped. In fact, long before that happens, the expanding sun will swallow the planet entirely. Still, imagining this sudden stop helps us understand just how fragile our existence really is. Everything we know, from the rising sun to the crashing waves, depends on motion, balance, and the invisible forces of nature we take for granted. So the next time you watch the sunrise or see the stars drift across the night sky, remember that this delicate dance of Earth's rotation is what keeps us alive. If it ever stopped, life as we know it would end in a single violent instant. And perhaps that is the most haunting truth of all. Our entire world is balanced on motion, and without it, there is nothing but chaos.